Welcome to the graphic design page of my online portfolio. The poster redesign project was one of my first experiences with graphic design. I took a visually unappealing poster found around campus and redesigned it to be more effective. I used rhetorical knowledge to apply genre conventions of a poster and to create a design that would appeal to the intended audience. Adhering to conventions, the poster uses strong contrast and clear typography to ensure readability from various distances. Appealing to the nonconformist audience of the satirical poster, I used an exciting color scheme and added the illusion of graffiti to the icons. Regarding critical thinking outcomes, I approached this project with two main theories in mind. Using the Gestalt principle of proximity, I organized similar elements near each other, such as the body of the poster in the black rectangle and the website information in the red rectangle. Using the principle of similarity, I communicated a single message using only 3 icons: birds equal surveillance. I also approached this poster with the principles of graphic design, using contrast in color and size to organize and emphasize information, repetition of color to create unity, and alternating alignments to create visual appeal. The literary magazine spread assignment tasked me with creating a 2-page spread for a fictional magazine based on the Golden Spiral and a quote from a previous assignment. It was a bit of a challenge finding article content that related to the quote about not taking advice, but by giving it an ironic twist, I made it work. Showing rhetorical knowledge, the project adheres to the genre conventions of a magazine spread by including a focal point, a visual connection between the 2 pages, accurate dimensions, and the necessary margin content. I am most proud of my use of technology in this assignment. I used Adobe Illustrator to trace the image of Alice and design the pocket watch. Each link in the chain had to be individually drawn and positioned to give it the right effect. The Save Our Sharks poster was a semester-long project where I designed a promotional flyer for the Save Our Sharks organization. This is a good example of the practices and processes learning outcomes because its creation involved 5 iterations, each one focusing exclusively on a different design element, namely typography, layout, color, design, and lastly the final version. Focusing on one element of design at a time not only allowed me to perfect the application of these elements in the poster, but also helped me to understand the elements more thoroughly. Like these other examples, I demonstrate an understanding of technology through the use of Adobe Illustrator. In this assignment, I'm especially proud of the shark graphic, which was made using the pen tool and several layers placed just right to give it depth.